Josh here from Neighborhood Car Reviews, and I was at the 2019 Indianapolis Auto Show, and what to my wondering eye should appear but a 2020 Hyundai Palisade. Surprised to see this vehicle at the Indy Auto Show, first unveiled at the LA Auto Show as a replacement for the Hyundai Santa Fe XL. This is a three-row SUV, and this vehicle is the ultimate trim level, I believe. There was not a whole lot of detail on it. But it was kind of neat to see a pre-production prototype vehicle that was here and unlocked and open for everybody to kind of get their hands on. So I took the opportunity to kind of film a quick look at the new Palisade. So join us with the first look at the 2020 Hyundai Palisade. First introduced at the LA Auto Show on November 28, 2018 as a direct replacement of the Hyundai Santa Fe XL, the Palisade represents as the company's flagship three-row crossover SUV, directly competing with the Subaru Ascent, Honda Pilot, and Volkswagen Atlas. The Palisade, with its stately name, will hold up to 8 passengers in comfort or 7 in this ultimate trim level pre-production prototype. Shown in the beautiful steel greenish-gray rainforest metallic paint, it features the premium black, dark khaki Nappa quilted leather interior, which to me looks more of a dark olive drab and is quite a sight to behold. The exterior of the Palisade features stunning details in body, with crisp character lines, tight-fitting body panels, and narrow panel gaps. Aggressive Toyota and Lexus-esque front-end styling, along with dramatic LED lighting, up front and in the rear, the Palisade really lives up to its premium name. And this Palisade is equipped with the automatic full-time all-wheel drive system and features a rotating drive mode selector with smart, sport, comfort, eco, and snow modes, as well as an axle locker. Transmission is an 8-speed automatic with a space-saving 4-button controller as well as a steering wheel-mounted paddle shifts. Power is from an Atkinson Cycle 3.8-liter Lambda 2 gasoline direct injection V6 engine, and while official power outputs are not revealed, it is estimated to make 291 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 262 pound-feet of torque at 5,000 RPM. And while most vehicles of this day and age, especially SUVs, where rear-end styling seems to be an afterthought and somewhat lazy, this is not the case with the Palisade. With crisp character lines, satin chrome trim, and nicely designed liftgate panels, and amazing LED tail lamp units, the Palisade looks just as good in the rear as it does up front. Inside the Palisade, it is quite the sight to behold. Beautifully styled, with the interior fit and finish on this prototype was excellent, with great quality and feel from the switchgear. Front and center in this Ultimate is a full digital HD TFT 12.3-inch display with virtual instruments and a large HD 10.3-inch multimedia infotainment screen that, refreshingly, is not a floating style, and rather is nicely integrated into the handsome dashboard. A nice touch is that the Blue Link system allows for 2 Bluetooth devices to be connected simultaneously, one for phone and the other for audio streaming. A high center console with a sloping control panel hides a full-width lower pass-through with charging points. Controls for transmission and drive mode selector, hill descent control, and parking sensors, auto start, stop, and camera views are conveniently located, with the heated cooled seat controls and heated steering wheel control directly below. Finishes a nice textured aluminum panel with concealed cup holders and storage. As stated before, interior fit and finish is excellent, with gorgeous door card stitching, with materials matching those on the seats. Perforated quilted stitching highlights all door cards. Overall, the interior is a very, very nice place to be. Very well built. And this Palisade is equipped with the optional 7-passenger seating configuration. It does feature fully adjustable heated and cooled second-row captain chairs with one-touch third-row access. Headliner is full Alcantara. It does feature innovative overhead vents with diffuser controls. You also have a control panel for heated and ventilated seat controls, automatic climate controls. You also have power points. All told, there are 7 USB chargers in this vehicle. Third row access is very easy. The third row seat does seat 3 across. Power folding 60/40 split folds. Alright, Alright, taking a look at the cargo area. As you can see, it is very nice and spacious. You do have a 12-volt power point. You've also got your second and third row folding controls. Luggage area is very nice, right on par with the competition. Cargo capacity is 18 cubic feet with the third row up. With the third row seat folded, the cargo capacity expands to 45.3 cubic feet. And as you can see here, it is a power opening and power closing liftgate. Overall, I believe that the Palisade is more than a worthy contender in the 3-row crossover market, with excellent build quality, trim levels, standard safety equipment, and fit and finish. We can't wait to get one to review more in depth and to take it out on a drive. Alright, and that does conclude our short take first look at the new 2020 Hyundai Palisade. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it and would like to see more like this, comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and also check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews. And we will do a full in-depth review as the vehicle becomes available in summer of 2019. And as always, thanks for watching.